What up, you guys? What up? Today is a nice fucking Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. It was just storming, raining all damn day, which I loved because I was at work, and when it rains and storms like that, we have not much cars come in, and usually on a Saturday I'm doing 90 plus cars, and that shit sucks, bro. But yesterday was a good day. Today's gonna be even better day. It's all sunny and nice outside, a little damp and wet, but that ain't gonna stop us today. Well, pretty much we installed the S4 turbo, got the base map in, and that car is a lot faster, man. So pretty much what I'm doing today is I bought some EBC brake pads. They were a little pricey. They were like almost 140 bucks. They're the yellows, I believe. Let me see. Let's open them up and show you the pad. But yeah, here they are. These are EBC yellow pads. They're about, what did I say, 140, 50 bucks, man. But shit, if you have good enough power in your car, you want the car to stop. And with the OEM brakes, the car stops, but not fast enough, you know what I'm saying? With the extra horsepower, it's sketching me out, like doing turns, and I have to, you know, or slow down faster than I need to be because I'm going too damn fast. And my car right now is at that point where I just want to step on the gas and go ridiculous fast and speed, which I don't recommend. Don't do that. Do it at night, at like 3 o'clock at night. But yeah, so we're gonna install these pads. Let's go outside and go from there. Also, on another note, I got some Milwaukee tools for my birthday. I got this for my birthday, but I didn't have no batteries, so I bought this combo. And this combo thing comes with everything, man. It came with the impact. Came with the impact, charger, 2 batteries, and then a screwdriver as well. So that was the combo I bought, just to have this thing work, to have 2 batteries and a charger. But this is the freaking tool that I'm gonna be using most of the time, the electronic ratchet. I don't know which tools I'm gonna use today, but this is gonna be the first time using any of these. And dude, I'm so hyped for tools, dude. I'm so hyped for all this crap. And yeah, let's go outside and let's see if the job is a lot easier with this thing. Okay, so first step is get some rocks. Just to put it under here because my car is too low to have the jack underneath. So I'm gonna put these under the wheels so I can roll up on them, and then that's when I'll have enough space to put that thing underneath. Okay, so I got the wheels off, got it jacked up. I haven't really done it with the Mazdaspeed 3 before, but I've done it with a few Hondas and it should essentially be the same. So we're gonna go back here, check everything out. I believe it's gonna be this bolt right here. There's gonna be another one, that one right there, which they're star patterns. And yeah, we'll see if I can take that off. Okay, so it's not like the Honda. It doesn't have bolts, easy bolts to take off. It has the T's, the star pattern, the T20, the T's. So there's T10, 30 all the way to one T60. I don't know which one it is. It's probably a T55 or a T50. But let's open this up and I'll show you what kind of tool it is. But I believe so. It's gonna be these 2 bolts at the very top and bottom. And yeah, okay, so I took 4 bolts off, and then this safety thing came off, so I'm gonna have to see exactly where it popped off, but I'm sure it was like, okay, it's like that right there, and that thing came off. So pretty much you're gonna have 2 bolts like these. They're like a star pattern. This is a short bolt, and then this is the longer bolt. The short bolts are going to be the very top one and the very bottom one. There's 4 bolts. That's the short bolt. The longer bolts are gonna be the ones right here in the middle. Right here and right here are the 2 longer bolts. And then all this is just kind of, see, everything's all wiggly. So just take this off, take off the old brake pads, and compare the OEM brake pads to the new ones I just bought. The OEM still looks like they still have pretty much some tread on them. They're a little crusty though. I might just keep them just in case. But that's how the OEM one looks right there. And then here are the yellows. They're thicker. But then again, these are brand new and those are used. So, you know, these are a lot thicker though. There you guys go. There it is. Dude, I'm liking the yellow, man. It's like the yellow brake pads, yellow struts. I might just end up making, I was gonna make the calipers red, but I think I'm gonna go with yellow just cause it just matches my pads, my struts, you know what I'm saying? So I might just go with yellow. Matches with my diamond motor mounts. So I might just go with the yellow brake pad. I don't know. Put comments in the section below and let me know what you guys feel like. A red or even just a caliper cover, and put a Mazdaspeed caliper cover as well. I think they only covered red though. So what would look good? Some have paint them red or yellow, I don't know. I was gonna paint them red, but the yellow would just match more of my suspension parts, you know what I'm saying? So just put a comment down below and let me know. Well, there you go, you guys. Got the brakes on. If you can tell, they're on the car. You see that? It makes a big difference, doesn't it? Who knows? You can't see a little bit of yellow though. See that little yellow? Which is cool. We're gonna go in the car. And yeah. We're gonna see if the car stops or if it just keeps on going. Show you guys that cold starts. If the camera is shaky or anything, I don't really have my GoPro right now. I left it at my friend's house, RIP. And yeah, the car is pretty messy too. I might go clean it up a little bit. I don't know where, but I'll take it somewhere. And there's a trunk full of tools. I'm probably gonna start weight reduction shit back there. I have a shitload of tools back in the back. I want to take them out, but they save me so much. Those tools save me a shitload, but they're all over the place, so I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. I might just leave them back until I buy me like a bag where I can hold all my tools and shit and get more organized. I am farthest from being organized. I'm messy as a motherfucking person, and I'm trying to fix that. I'm trying to be a little more clean, a little more, you know, just organized, you know? Makes life a lot easier, definitely with tools and shit like that. The worst part is not finding a tool they really need at that one moment in time. Okay, but I'm gonna shut up. It's sunny as hell, so I'm gonna put my glasses, and let's back up. Up, it's stopping, sorta, it's stopping. They say to warm up the brakes for about 2-3 days, so I don't know how hard. I'm not gonna really stop too hard. I'm just gonna start cruising around, you know what I'm saying, and just kind of give you my first impressions. Okay, first impression off the bat, it starts braking way up top now. It was like braking like in the middle to low range, you know what I'm saying. Now it's braking like way up top, which is cool. And yeah, so I'll show you just some cruising clips. these brake pads already gives me a lot more confidence to slow down, but I am going slower RPMs, you know what I'm saying? I'm not driving too fast to be like, I need to slow down. Hear those pops? I don't know if you can hear those pops, but some pops and crackles. Definitely with E85 and the new turbo, dude, it pops like crazy. I love that shit. Let's go a little faster. Let's go a little faster. Let's see how good it stops. Woo! It stops a lot better. Yep. A lot better. And like I was saying before, like brakes weren't even that bad, like they still had life in them, but these do brake a lot better. Maybe because they're thicker, I don't know, but it does brake a lot better. Though yeah, it's a good difference, man. Thank God I bought these, and they better work better. For about $150, they better fucking work, because they better fucking stop on the damn dime, you know what I'm saying? It says for light check use, so I don't hear any noises from braking either. Eventually I'll try and update you guys to see if there's a lot of brake dust or anything. I did hear a little squeal there, so we'll keep my ear out for that stuff. But that's pretty much it, man. It's a beautiful Sunday. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Be safe out there, have fun, get your money, start grinding, don't be lazy, just keep on grinding for whatever you want, man. If you want something, go get it. Everyone's gonna try and tell you no, but you can do whatever you want to do, and you just have to achieve for it. So, in that note, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.